Number 6, we have two logarithms that are being separated by a subtraction sign. So that subtraction sign means to use the quotient rule. So the quotient rule is coming from there. Again, it's very important to know that it's from that subtraction sign. This plus sign and this minus sign, these are not doing anything. We don't have any rules where it's the plussing or subtracting on the inside of a logarithm. So those don't mean anything. So the quotient rule means that I want to combine these to be log base 5 of x plus 1 over x minus 1 is equal to 2. My next step is going to be to transform this . So if you take the 5, raise it to the 2, and set it equal to the entire inside, then that's going to be 5 raised to the 2 is equal to x plus 1 all over x minus 1. Now 5 squared is 25, and for this problem I am going to solve it like a proportion, which means you're setting two fractions equal to each other, and I want this to be expressed as two fractions, so I'm going to call this 25 over 1. And I'm doing that because as a proportion you can solve the cross products. So if I do the cross multiplication here, then I'm going to get 25x minus 25 is equal to x plus 1. I'm having a little bit of problems with my stylus. There we go. So then I'm trying to solve for x here. If I subtract x from both sides and then also add 25 to both sides, then I'll get 24x is equal to 26, and then divide both sides by 24, and x is equal to 26 over 24, which can be reduced, and it'll be 13 over 12. And that'll be our answer. We should check it in the original. Oops. So 13 over 12 plus 1, that's a positive number. 13 over 12 minus 1, so I'm looking at this one now. That is not going to be a negative number because 13 over 12 is bigger than 1. So the answer of 13 over 12 will stay.